Hi, my name is Honey, and I'm sick. I'm a sick dog. Fully sick dog. Hi everyone, so today I've decided to do a wish haul featuring my dogs and their clothes and things like that. I've never actually done a wish haul before. I have bought stuff from Wish previously, but I've never actually done a haul on it. Anyways, if you don't know who my dogs are, then this is one of them, and her name is Cookie. You're a silk. So I have two chihuahuas. My other one's name is Honey. There is a lot of other videos on them if you are interested in seeing more of them. Honey is hiding at the moment. I don't know if you can see her. Under the table, you might be able to see her. I'm not sure, depending on the lighting. Who knows? But she's hiding. Okay, for anyone who doesn't know, just to quickly introduce you, this is Honey. She's the one who's been hiding under the table. Okay, so what I have done is I've ordered stuff from Wish for my puppies. My previous thought was, well, there was two thoughts. So one of them, I really want to make a calendar for my dogs for next year. So some of the items are to do with that, and then some of the other items, you're gonna itch. And then some of the other items I've wanted to do, I want to end up taking photos or do a video where I'm matching what they're wearing. So I've bought items off Wish that are very similar to items that I have in my wardrobe, if that makes sense. So we'll start off with the items that I have in my wardrobe that I want to end up doing a video or photo with them or something like that, just to be cute, you know, as you do. So the first two are these little checkered shirts. They are a bit too big for them, especially for Cookie, but they still fit. So it's not too bad, so I'll still be able to use them in a video. I better get the prices and stuff here. Okay, so I got one in a size medium and one in a size small. So I don't know if you can really see, there's not that much size difference. It's pretty much the width across, which is why they're a bit too big for them. So the small actually fits Honey, but the small is still too big for Cookie. There was an option to get an extra small, and I should have got an extra small, but usually the Wish dog clothes and eBay, like Wish and eBay, all run very small. So that's why I was like, oh no, I'll get a bit bigger, but no, I should have gone the other way. Okay, so they were free, but the shipping was $5 each. So they're worth $5, which they're really not that bad. I'd definitely pay $5 for this. It's not bad at all. So the next two items, I have got these little camouflage jumpers, and that will definitely fit Honey. So I got a size medium and a small, and there was a pink or a green version. I would normally do the pink version for my puppies, but to match me, I don't have any pink camo, so I've done to match like a top or a jacket that I've got. So, and that will definitely fit Cookie as well, so that's a small too. So these ones are pretty much true to size. Weird thing is though, they're different fabric. Like this one is more, I don't know if you can tell, but it's like a grainier fabric. And this one's more like a cotton, if that makes sense. So these cost me, they were free, and they were $5 for shipping. So same as before, it's just $5 pretty much for this little jumper. And these are perfect for like autumn and stuff when it's still kind of cold, but not too cold, and even spring. So they're a good material. Okay, so for these next two items, I have not put them on the dogs yet, but I know that one of them is definitely not going to fit. One will fit Cookie, but the other one won't fit Honey, so maybe this will just have to be a photo with just Cookie. Their sizing is shocking, so this will give you an idea of what the sizing can be like on Wish and eBay. So I actually ordered a medium and a large. This is the medium. I'll take it out of the wrapper. So this is the size medium, and this is the size large. So if you were to go to Pet Barn or something, this would be like an extra small, and this is apparently a medium. So this definitely isn't going to fit. There is a lot of stretch to it, but it's not going to be wide enough for her, so there's no way I'm ever going to try this on Cookie. This one will be way too small for Honey, but it will actually fit Cookie because she's so long and skinny, so it's not too bad sizing for her, but I would have never thought that Cookie would be wearing a size large. So yeah, that is them in comparison. So the medium and the large. These ones cost me $2 to buy and $3 for shipping, so again it's $5 for the little jumper. Honestly, like the quality feels kind of, it does feel cheap, but it still feels kind of good. Like I would get her to wear this during winter. It is quite thick. So the next item I'm going to show you is actually a little hat that I bought for Honey because Cookie already has one. This is for their photo shoot. So it is just a little straw hat for dogs. So there were a few different styles with different sort of flowers, but I thought that one was cute. This one cost me $10 and it was $8 for shipping, so in total $18. It is definitely worth it. It is it's like one of those ones, I don't know if your like aunties or I'm not sure if your aunties or family or parents or anything ever had them, but like the teddy bears that used to wear clothes and stuff, like this is the stuff that kind of used to go on it, so that's what it reminds me of. But yeah, so Honey will definitely get use out of this. Okay, so the next two items are these little tutus that I have got for them because I want to do the photo shoot. They do come in 5 different colours, so I got a pink and a red since they kind of go together well. They were $2 to buy and $3 to ship, so again it's $5 for the tutu. So I got them both in a size small. One, like they're too big for Cookie and they're too small for Honey. There is like a lot of stretch to it though, so if I do it really quickly and take the photo, then I think that'll be fine. Otherwise I'll just make a little thing and maybe do some ribbon or something so it's bigger on Honey, and at least with Cookie I can kind of just tie it so that it fits around her belly. Yeah, so they are really cute and they're really well made. I'm very happy with these. These next things that are super cute, they're these little sunnies that can be clipped into dog's hair. It kind of works in Honey's hair, but it also doesn't at the same time. Cookie's hair is way too short. I wish that I had like the opportunity to put these in their hair, so because I think they're just so cute. They're like little love heart sunnies. I don't know if you can see. So they come in a pack of 8, which is really cute. So if you have a little dog with lots of hair, then I definitely recommend getting these because they're so sweet. So these cost me $2 for the bag of 8 and $3 for shipping. So again, they're really, really cheap. If you do have a dog with long hair, then I definitely recommend these. And they feel like good quality too. Like the clips don't feel like they're going to hurt or anything. Okay, so this is one of my favorite things that I have bought Cookie, and it was more on the dearer side, but it looked good and it had really good reviews. So I was like, screw it, I'm going to do it because Pet Barn don't sell them anymore. So it's pretty much a little dog bikini. No, I would never make her wear it on the beach. The only time I'd make her wear it on the beach if I was just wanting to get a photo for like 5 minutes or something, and that's about it. I would never actually make her wear it to the beach and go swimming and stuff because that's just, it wouldn't be nice on her. Sorry if I sound sick too, I have been sick. It feels amazing, like the quality is amazing. I would have never thought that this would have actually come from Wish. Like this is the kind of quality that I expect to buy from Pet Barn. Like it's even better quality than Kmart. So it was definitely worth the price. It was $18 to buy and $12 for shipping. So it definitely was on the more pricey side, but that is about how much you're looking at spending if you do buy it from Pet Barn. So it wasn't like a huge issue for me because I knew that I'd get good photos out of it since Honey already does have a bikini as well. I also got this in a size extra small and it fits Cookie perfectly. So I am so glad I got it in an extra small. Okay, and now this is the last item, but it is my all-time favorite item that I have ever bought from Wish. It is these little doggy sunglasses. So they're kind of like a little round. I don't know if you can see. Can you see? They're so cute, and the sizing is actually like perfect to Honey's head. So So I'm very happy. I got some really cute photos of her with these on, so they look super cute. They cost me $1.90 to buy, and for shipping it was only $4. So again, these were super cheap and they're super cute and stylish, and you can still actually see through them. So I love these a lot. So that is the end of this dog wish haul. If you want to see any more ones like this, or just any other wish hauls or things like that, then please let me know, and I will see you guys later. Bye!